Whooping cough numbers have been spiking nationally, but South Dakota's numbers are declining as the season turns warmer. According to data from the Department of Health, the state has seen 75 whooping coughing cases from the start of the year, which only 2 cases occurred in March. A doctor says that we typically see a decrease in both influenza and whooping cough the next couple of months. Then we can expect to see those numbers climb again late in the summer and into the fall. You can take a closer look at the DOH data in this KELOLAND.com original by Michael Dorn online now.